Hi, and welcome back to What's the T in L&E. I'm Leah.
I'm Emily.
And we are management side employment attorneys with Woods Rogers Van Deventer Black. Today, we are going to talk with you guys about what is the right way to verbally counsel an employee. And to show you guys the effectiveness of this, we're going to show you how it would play out in the courtroom.
Ms. Manager, isn't it true that Ms. Employee had a chronic lateness problem?
Yes, absolutely. She was frequently tardy. And I talked to her multiple times about this.
When do you think you talked to her?
Maybe sometime in March, again in May, in the break room, and then in June by her desk. Yeah. Switch the roles. Miss Employee, isn't it true that you were late on a number of occasions?
No.
I mean, isn't it true your manager talked with you about this?
I don't remember any of those conversations.
Not even in the break room?
The only thing I remember about last spring is that I was extremely busy with a really big project that I finally turned it in and I got tons of praise for it. That's all I remember.
So nothing in March or May? Nothing? You don't remember anything?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, you the jury, whose side is more credible?
The problem with verbal counseling and nothing more is that later you have nothing to rely on when you go back to reference the repeated conversations that you have with employees. That's really a rough position to be in.
Yeah, we want to disabuse you guys of the notion that you can just verbally counsel someone without following up with follow-up documentation. You need that corroborating evidence.
And so what are some easy ways to follow up with verbal counseling and put it into writing, Leah?
I think there are a couple of ways. There's no right or wrong answer. You could have talking points, bullet point, what you're going to talk to the employee about today. Afterwards, you check them off, you sign it, indicate that you talked to the employee about each one of these things. You can scan it in. What's another way?
You can send an email afterwards to the employee and say, per our conversation today, here are the things that we talked about, and then you have an electronic record and you shared it with the employee. And really, instituting this type of practice across your company can really help level the playing field for everyone and, helps people not feel targeted, keeps things transparent, and really protects you as the employer.
And we can't emphasize enough how important it is to train your managers how to, quote, verbally counsel in the right way, which really means verbally counsel, verbally coach, but follow up with some form of corroborating documentation.
Absolutely. Well,
this has been fun. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.
have a great day.